Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from howENGINEERSdoit, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a letter by letter animation. So let's get started. So as we can see here, there are certain list of procedures written here, and firstly we need to click on this text box and go for animations, and we can select appear as the animation and go for animation pane. If you don't have this pane here, you can click on the animation pane and this will get listed here. And now we can go for effect options and go for by letter and select point 1. Click on OK, and you'll be able to see that the letters are formed or animated letter by letter here. So similarly, we have a couple of cool options. So what we can do is you can click on this down arrow and you'll be able to see the 6 different sentences we have here. So you can click on one of them here, the second one. You can go for animations and you can select something else, maybe a fly in, and it'll fly in, and you can go for effect settings. You can go over here and go for start after the previous, so this will move a little ahead. And then you can go for effect options and again give the by letter and click on OK, and you'll be able to see a different animation here. Similarly, you have a couple of more animations which are really cool in this. Like if you have I saw one which was really cool. That was, yeah, the swivel is cool. And if you go here and go for effect options and go for by letters, and also you can go for start of the previous and play it from the beginning. So you have that letter by letter swivel there, and also we have a couple of more options. Grow and turn around, spin. You have wave. Let's try the wave. Okay, so in wave also you can go here, you can go for start after the previous and go for effect options and go for by letter and click on OK, and you can see, if you see it from the beginning, yeah, you can see it from the beginning like this. Alright, so all these options you can use while based on the kind of presentation that you give. You can use these techniques to make your presentation look more good. And that's all about this tutorial, and this tutorial will be very much helpful for the person who actually looked for this particular animation and came over here. Hope you enjoyed. If you would like to see more of this, let me know. Thank you and stay tuned.